Today we are here to explain you about how human being is created from Nutfa Sulala. We are here to discuss the idea of human creation from Nutfa Sulala or extracted essence. In religious teaching, Nutfa is the first form of human existence, a small drop containing essential genetic material from both parents. This starts the process of human development.
Allah mentions in the Quran in Surah Sajda in verse number 8 that ثُمَّ جَعَلَ نَسْلَهُ مِن سُلَالَةٍ مِّن مَّاءٍ مَّهِينٍ. The meaning of this ayah is, then he made his progeny offspring from an extract quintessence, a blood clot of delicate fluid, namely the sperm drops. The Arabic word sulala means extract or the best part of the whole or general extraction from the fluid. Sulala can be understood as the purest and the most essential cell to form the embryo. As you can see, this is the model of uterus. So most of the nutfa get trapped in the cervix and the uterus, which are unable to move forward. Out of approximately 300 billion nutfa released into the vagina, only about 1000 managed to enter the fallopian tube. Here we have a single ovum in the fallopian tube. Around 200 to 300 nutfa succeed in reaching the egg. As you can see, a lot of fish swimming over here, right? Yes, they are nothing but the nutfa, which we have depicted here. The nutfa swims all around in the uterus. Among the several sperms, it penetrates the outer layer of the egg corona radiata, and then it will reach the next layer, zona pellucida. However, only one nutfa is able to penetrate the zona pellucida, which is nutfa sulala, and fertilize the egg.
So today we have come to know only one nutfa actually. It penetrates the ovum and only one nutfa is required to fertilize the ovum out of tens of millions of nutfa which the man ejaculates. From a tiny drop of fluid, a human being is formed through various stages, demonstrating Allah's power, wisdom and creation. जब मर्द का नुत्फ़ा औरत के रहम में जाता है तो तकरीबन 10 करोड़ नुत्फ़ा अंडे के ओर बढ़ते हैं और उनमें से भी सिर्फ 200 या 300 अंडे के करीब जा पाते हैं। उनमें से भी सिर्फ एक, जिसको कुरान में नुत्फ़ा सुलाला यानी सबसे उम्दा वाला नुत्फ़ा जो है अंडे से आके उसके अंदर मिल जाता है। करोड़ों में सिर्फ एक अल्लाह की कुदरत से अंडे के अंदर चला जाता है। कुरान इस वाक़या को 1400 साल पहले बयान करता है जो मॉडल साइंस अब हमें बता रहा है। जज़ाकल्लाहु खैर।